For me, this is sad. The reason is very simple. Let's just use basics to make logic. We have a political party called UDA. Who have they formed a coalition, or is it a bread-based agreement with? Is ODM. Which legal framework have they used? Why have we never impeached Raila for having been friends with Ruto, whom we were fighting some 2 years ago that he had become president? I mean, we just need to grow up. What we are saying is Gloria Orwoba is a victim of circumstances who's being punished for expressing her democratic right. Gloria is basically Fred Matiang'i's person that they have worked with before when he was in Jubilee, when he was working for President Uhuru. So when Matiang'i came back and she's coming there escorting him, Matiang'i hasn't even said he belongs to a certain party. He has not said he's going to Jubilee or UPA or UDA or whatever, whichever. But the reality is that for the president and his team to pick this innocent lady, and as Mheshimiwa Mshomba has said, somebody who has meticulously picked a single issue in the Republic of Kenya, which was considered taboo, and she has individually presented this, and it's become a national matter. Then she's the one you are removing from office simply because you don't like who her friends are. Something is really happening to us.